Hello there, welcome to my one more new video. In this video we are going to draw the contour lines and draw the L sections and profile of the road alignments like this. Okay, let's start our video. In a previous video we import this point from Excel sheet. Okay, let's start. First draw the contour lines. Before drawing the contour lines we have to fix the boundary lines. Just use the polylines and fix the boundary and cover all the data like this. Okay, use the draw the like the boundary like this. I'm going to use the I am already draw the boundary lines there. Here I'm just gonna copy. You can draw by using polyline. Okay, I'm going to copy, right click, clipboard, paste to original. After completing the drawing the boundary, and then after open the SWDTMs, and first work you have to do to go to the point and process all the points. Just take it and select all the points and just okay. And after that go to the triangulate. Okay, and after that go to the contour. In the after drawing there are three methods to draw the contour: by quick contour, round contour, and annotations. I'm going to use the quick contours because it give a perfect shape. Okay, the contour intervals I'm using the 1 meters and the major contour is 5. This is the standard. You can change as per your conditions. Okay, just press the draw. It will automatically draw all the contours lines. The contour interval is 1 meter. Contour index is the 5 meters. This black one is contour index, and in between this and this the 5 meters, and between this and this contour is 1 meter. Okay, after that we are going to draw the L sections and profiles. Before drawing L sections and profiles you have to assign the road alignment, center lines. Assign the center line of the road. Just use the polylines and join all the center lines of the road like this. This is our center lines of the road. I'm just going to use the center lines. This I'm going to already use this data while using surveying. I'm using the entering the center lines. We are using C, and the RE the left side and the right side is of the road. Just you can go like this by drawing like this one of the center lines. Okay, I'm going to use my previous lines. Okay, this I'm going to like this. You can draw the contours and the lines, polylines, to determine the road. Okay, just I'm going to copy. Okay, just copy. You can draw. Okay, clipboard, paste to the copy. Okay, after completing the lines, assigning the road alignment, you should not fit these lines at the curve like this. This line is polylines, like this. The curve fit, the spinal piece, you should not allow to do it when you are doing these kind of things. The polyline functions, these right click polylines, the curve fit and spinal piece. You don't do this. When you do this, then there is a error while drawing L sections and profiles. So you don't do anything. Just you draw the polylines, and after that go to the L sections, and there is the two method by sections, by DTMs and sections cut. First we have to cut the sections. Okay, we have to cut by using DTMs or the contours. I'm going to cut the X sections by DTMs. Okay, just you are going to just only draw the profile, then take care. I'm going to draw the profile and L section, so I'm going to click mark here, and the X section interval is I'm going to use 10 meter. You can use as your conditions, as per your conditions. Okay, and partial distance, that is on the left side using 5 meter, and the right side I'm using 5 meter. Okay, and the chain is 10 meter channels, and cutting the sections. Just write the tick mark the right channels and delete existing if there is a presence. Okay, just select it, and you have to save that file. L sections and profiles, L sections and X sections. Just save And after saving, this will show the select the alignment near the starting edge. So this is our road alignment starting edge, and this is area ending. So I'm going to select the near to the starting edge, just select it, and it will automatically draw the channels and cut the sections, okay, like this. After completing, to complete this tab will be disappear, okay, disappear. Then after just look that, this already got at the 0 0 channels, 10 meter channels, 20 meter channels, 30 meter, 10 meter interval channels, okay. And after that, go to the X sections and just I'm going to draw L section and profile. First we are going to draw the L profiles, okay, longitudinal profile. Just open and include all the channels, and make sure you can use the horizontal and vertical scale same to see the proper format, okay. Just do it and execute, just execute and draw. After that, go to the AutoCAD and pick the points where you want to draw, okay. Just I'm going to pick here, this will automatically draw. Yeah, this is our L profile of the longitudinal profile of our road. And this will give the existing channels and the existing level of that on that channels, each and every channel 0 0. The existing RL is between the what is 1793.061, like this you can determine, okay. This is our longitudinal profile. And similarly you can also draw the X sections. Just go to the draw lines and draw the X sections, and here include all their data, and the horizontal and vertical scale is same. You can change this data as per your condition, otherwise it's okay. Just execute and draw, and just pick the points where you want to draw. Just here it will automatically draw the X sections, okay. In a 0 0 in each channel 0 0 0 0 channel, there is this is our central lines of the road, and be in the left side 5 meter and right side 5 meter, but there is only 3.2 meter because the after that the contour lines there is no contour lines, that's why they don't capture. Here you can see that in this side there is the contour lines, but in this side there is no contour. If there is a contour, it will automatically draw the like this. And see the next one, the 5 meter left, 5 meter right, okay. In the channel is 10 meter. Similarly, each and every channel after the 10 meter it will draw, okay. All the point will be already draw, okay. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.